If you are searching for a way to earn money online, watch this video till the end because this video is really going to help you. You must have heard of content writing jobs on Upwork or Fiverr.com. Well, the freelancers who provide these services on these websites type 2000 to 3000 words on their own and provide it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of a free tool known as Google Translate to translate Japanese or Chinese blogs into English, and then you can submit it as your work on Upwork or any other website. So if you are interested in such a thing, consider subscribing to my channel and watch the video till the end. And let's get into the video without wasting any time. So the first thing that you need to do is go to upwork.com. You must have heard of upwork.com. If you've not heard it, it's a freelance website where you find clients and provide some work for them. So go to Upwork, and if you don't know how to sign up, Upwork has a bit of a difficult sign up process. So if you don't know how to go through the sign up process, there are a lot of tutorials on the internet that show you exactly how to do that. So go to YouTube and search one tutorial and you will get to know how to do this exactly. So when you go to Upwork, go to search and click on jobs. Apply to jobs posted by clients. Once you click on this, write content writing. There'll be a couple of content writing jobs right here. Here they say that they'll pay you $20 to $70 an hour. Estimated budget $20. Hourly $20 to $40. And all these, there are multiple jobs. Jobs per page are 10. And there are many other pages. Just keep going forward, and you can find many jobs. Now, type right here, Google Translate. And write beginner tips for camping. So here, this is English and you want to select one language. So we will select Chinese. And then copy this and paste it right here. Here are a couple of Chinese blog posts. So we don't, obviously you're not going to understand what is written. But if you click on one of these blogs, there's a bunch of stuff written right here. So you are going to copy this. So suppose you went to Upwork, and the Upwork, you got a job to write a blog post that is related to camping. You can do this exact same thing. It can be related to fishing, bodybuilding, anything, pets, dogs, cats, animals. So now you need to download one tool, that is Google Translate extension, Chrome extension. Using this, we can convert our blog into English. So Google Translate, click on this link and then add to Chrome. Add extension. You need to wait for a couple of seconds. Google Translate has been added to Chrome. So finally we've added this extension to Chrome. Now go back to your web browser. Go back to the blog post that was here. And you have this extension right here. And then if you click on translate this page and click on it, this page is going to be translated into English. So now you have a full blog, which is in English, of course. Before submitting this article to anyone, we need to check whether this content is unique or not, whether other people have copied this in the same way or not. So go to this website right here, copy ritely.com, and then pick your blog post and copy it. And then go right here and paste this, what you have copied. So once you paste this, click on check. You need to wait a couple of seconds. Right here it shows 30 grammatical issues. Well, this is not a very big issue. Keywords stuffing, 2 issues. Reliability, 1 issue. Now let's see uniqueness. Our main concern is uniqueness. The content should not be plagiarized, it should be unique. Plagiarism not detected means this content is unique. Now you are good to go. So once you get a job on Upwork, you can copy the whole text, convert it into English using Google Translate, and then you can submit it on Upwork. You can do one thing. You can also edit this according to your preference. Like if you want 2 or 3 articles of the same topic, if you want more words, 5,000 words, 6,000 words, you want a different, you want some SEO, you can use some SEO tools to actually check how your content is ranking and all that stuff. So yeah, this was it for the video. This is a very easy way to earn money. If you really want to earn money through this way, please follow this video. And if you are not interested in this, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to help you, because if you don't stay consistent with one thing, you are anyways not going to reach anywhere. You have to stay consistent. This way of earning money is a very good way, but the main thing is that you should stay consistent with what you do. It will take 1 or 2 or 3 weeks maybe to set up Upwork, to send requests, to apply for jobs, etc. But if you have some patience, this is really going to work. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour. And if you work for 5 hours a week also, let's see how much you can earn in a month. So let's say that you earn $50 an hour, you earn $30 an hour, and you just work for 5 hours a week. That comes out to be $150. And then 5 hours a week into 4 means there are 4 weeks in a month. So just by doing 5 hours a week of work, you can earn anywhere from $600 to $1,000 a month, depending upon how much you are getting per hour. These jobs are very high paying. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Write down below what all doubts you have or any video you want me to cover in the future, and I'll meet you in my next video.